Hi everyone, happy weekend. And now we're sharing again another weekly market analysis for the week of April 19 to 23, 2021. And once again, I am Melvin Jason De Vera of Traders Plus. So now let's go with our analysis. So let me share with you my MetaTrader. Okay, so let's start with the Euro USD. Okay, so based dito sa structure, from what I am seeing, is that potentially, malaki na kasi yung inakyat niya no, for the past week. And it's either, dito yan mag-bounce, so it can go down right away. Okay? This can be a sell coming from the 1.19905. So let me write that down. So it can be a sell at 1.19905. Okay? So it can be a sell at 1.19905. Pwede yun. So meaning it's either sell limit pa rin, pwedeng bumalik yan doon, and then it can go down. Likewise, this is still my ideal take profit, 1.18959. Or another scenario, pwede naman na ang sell limit mo ay ito, which is a 61.8 of the daily. And that's 1.2335. But if it goes beyond this, pwede mo na i-cut yung loss. Okay? Now, another source of that idea, kung bakit sell ang aking bias dito, is that if I'm going to put an RSI, okay, a relative strength index right there. Okay. Gusto ko ipakita rito na meron tayong divergence. Na? So, the price at this point is going up, but the oscillator here is going down. So, this is a bearish divergence, which means the price can really reverse. No? Yung uptrend na nakikita natin, it can soon go down. So, it's either it goes here and then down, or it goes here and then down. Okay, so pababa pa rin yan. Okay. Aside from that, ito pa yung isa kong i-share. Okay? If we take a look at the economic calendar, so for the United States dollar, we can see na there are a lot of strong points for the week. Okay? And if we're going to take a look at the euro, a lot of weak points for the week. So in essence, pag tingin natin ngayon dito sa matrix, we actually have more of the weakness ng euro for the entire week. Okay? So let me box that out. Euro now. So here is expected to be weak the whole week. Okay? So these are some of the intraday trade ideas which I am going to broadcast in the Traders Plus group chat. Yung daily signals ko na naka-Avramis signals natin. Okay, so kung gusto niyo makasali sa aming Traders Plus, okay, all you have to do, kailangan meron na kayong live trading account using this link, bit.ly/forextradersplus. Okay? So ito lang po yung kailangan na meron kayo para po makasama kayo sa aming Traders Plus group chat. Okay. So let's go now to back ulit tayo sa ating MetaTrader. Okay. And this time, let's go to the pound dollar. Okay. So sa pound dollar, from what I'm looking at here, nagkaroon ng break dito. Okay, so this was a 61.8 of the daily. Okay. Binasag. Tumawid, no? Kitang-kita rito na this level here was broken by that price. Knowing na what was broken can be retested, so there might be a pullback here before it resumes going up. Likewise, ito ang ideal kong stop loss below this level. So, set a buy limit at this retracement here, 61.8. And stop loss. Then take profit 1. Pero pwede ka pang mag-take profit 2 here. 1.39564. Pwede pa. Okay? You can have take profit too. So let's take a look at the pound yen. Dollar yen. Okay? USDJPY. Okay, so ano nga ba ang aking bias dito sa USDJPY? This is a strong support here, which can be a support again here. Okay, so what I'm looking at, this can pull back pa rin, so pababa, but I am not going to trade that down move. Ang hahanapin ko itong buy. So I'm going to buy here, but short-term trade lang, hanggang dito take profit na kasi right here is a strong resistance na pwedeng maging resistance dyan, which is bababa ulit. Okay, so within the week, I'm gonna trade this buy setup. Okay? What about the dollar franc? So USDCHF. There are two scenarios. One, this can pull back and then go back down again. Pero mga hanggang 61.8 lang. And then pwede na uli itong umangat. Kaya I can trade the sell pero on a pullback. Okay, I'm gonna trade it at the 0.92216. Pag umakyat down, stop loss na. And then take profit here. Although the alternate scenario is that pag pullback nito, pag hindi pa nag-bounce, okay, edi wag mo nang i-trade ng sell. Pero kung na-sell limit na trigger, may stop loss dito. The moment ma-trigger ang stop loss, pwede ka rito mag-buy. Okay? So you can actually trade the buy the moment your stop loss is hit because the expectation now is this is moving up. And probably if that happens all the way here. Okay, but your buy should have a stop loss kung nasan yung sell limit mo. Okay, so ito yung magiging stop loss for the buy mo. Which is yung sell limit, 0.92216 can be enough. Okay, the take profit is somewhere here. So I do recommend pwede nyo lagyan ng mga lines yung inyong MetaTrader. This is the H4 chart. Put a zigzag and then put some horizontal lines. So nag-guide kayo kung saan pwedeng pumunta yung price. At nasa na ba siya right now? Okay? So those are the alternate scenarios. Now let's look at the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. Okay. So dito, lamang ako sa sell setup dito. There are two scenarios ko rito. One, sell at market right away. Make sure that the stop loss is around this level, no? Para mataas doon sa area na yan. Okay? And the take profit around here, which is the 61.8 of the Fibonacci na yan. The alternate scenario though is pabalikin nyo muna rito, tsaka nyo i-sell. But likewise, pababa pa rin ako dyan. Okay? So kung pababalikin nyo, pwedeng ito, mga 7.1, 7.70, pwedeng yun na maging sell limit mo. So pwedeng maging sell limit 0.7170, 770. Pwede yan. Okay? Same stop loss, same take profit. Okay? Kung alanganin kayo na isell at market. Now, AUD-USD, sell ang bias din. However, meron pang upside move. So, pwede pa siyang umakyat para bisitahin yung level na yan. Okay? And then, after which, bababa. So, sell limit dito, 78277, and then stop loss around there. Make sure away from this safe zone, and then this is your take profit. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the USDCAD. So, yung USDCAD, from what I'm looking at, this can go up, but it may continue to go down pa ng konti, so buy limit. Okay? Defensive stop loss, and then before this level, kailangan mag-take profit ka na. Because after hitting this, it can go down again. Okay? EURUJPY. This is pretty much sideways. Okay? But ang idea ko dito is more on the sell. Okay? So, alam naman natin na ito yung resistance. Nakikita natin. Mas malapit siya ron. And as looking back again to your economic calendar, makikita natin na for the week, yen is strong. And again, the euro is weak for the entire week. So the sell euro JPY is one of the ideas along with the sell euro USD. Okay? So the sell GBP USD is an idea but on a Friday. But meanwhile, before that happens, pwedeng umakyat muna yan. Okay? So there can be bullishness in the GBP. Okay? Which is here on a Wednesday. Okay? So that's because here in the calendar statement, if you look at the yen, most of the news or economic events for yen is stronger yen. Okay. So now let's go back. So sell limit, now pabalikin nyo muna, then sell all the way there. Defensive stop loss here. Take profit before this support area here. Okay. Gold. Now, crowd favorite. Last week, we are very much happy with the move. No? It was a bullish move here after the previous week, which is a bearish move. I think there will be a continuation of the uptrend, but pullback muna. So, if you want to buy the gold, wait for a pullback. Wait if it gives you a pullback. Dito ka pumasok, 1758.82. And then it might bounce here. Going there, 1815.42. Pero dito hindi pwedeng sobrang lapit ng mga SL. The recommended SL here is go as low as 1718.39. Okay. So now let's talk about the indices. So let's take a look at the Dow Jones Industrial Average or the US 30. So from what I'm looking at here, very strong yung kanyang naging upside move, but bullish pa rin ako dyan, pero on a pullback. So buy on a pullback around 33,820.51, which is ang gandyan. And we know that this is a 61.8 fib and was a support, was a strong level yan. Na? So take profit, yung recent high, and then stop loss dito around 33,631.69. You can also trade. Now, idea rito dahil ito ay index, kung ikaw ay naka-MT5, trade 0.10 only para hindi masyadong sunog, no? Okay, although on the MetaTrader 4, you have no choice but to trade 1.0 of that. Okay. Now, let's take a look at the US 500 or the SP 500. So again, 0.10 lang din, tikim lang. If we get the fib here, I think this is the 38.2. This is the 61.8. Okay? Malayo-layo yung 61.8. So malamang, bisitahin yung 38.2 which is a good structure also. And then it will resume the uptrend. So right now, I am hesitant to trade right away ng buy kasi masyadong dulo all time. No? So pabalikin ko rito yan for 080.17 tsaka ako magbabay. Defensive stop loss and the previous high will be my take profit. Okay, another favorite natin is the GR30. So let me just open the chart and apply our favorite template, zigzag. Okay, take a look at the D1, also bullish. On the H4, and na siya. So from what I'm seeing here, ito ang mga pwede niyang balikang level. Oh. Yan. Or ito. Okay? Now, to be safe, your stop loss should be below this level, definitely. Okay? So, this can go down muna. Probably, dito ko yan bibilin. 1731.2.4. Ito na yung take profit ko. Yung pinanggalingan din. Okay? So, it will be buy limit. Okay? 15312.4. With a stop loss 15,129.13. 15,129.13. And the ideal take profit ay yung recent high, which is 15,510.58. 15,510.58. Okay. So far, ito yung ating mga currency pairs and some stock indices. Now, let's take a look at the Philippine Stock Exchange Composite Index or PCOP or PSEI. Since this is also a request by some of our viewers. So, shout out sa inyo. Thank you po sa inyong request. So, sisilipin natin ngayon ang PSE Stock Market Index. Okay. So, looking at the chart ng PSEI, ang nakikita mo dito is, una, I put tatlong moving averages. One is the MA50, MA100, and MA200. So, yung crossover dito, bearish crossover dito ng MA50 and MA100. That's why nagkaroon din naman ng downward momentum yung PSEI. But for me, it's more on a trading sideway. Okay? But medyo upward bias pa rin ako dyan. Why? The MA200 seems to be holding. Okay? It seems holding. Plus, we can also take note of rising bottoms ng chart natin. Okay? Now, combining this to some of the sentiment or fundamentals natin in PSEI, una, with more vaccines possibly coming soon, no? Probably mga June, July, no? Until August, some other brands of vaccine will come. And we know that right now we have vaccines around the corner. Now we have the Sinovac, and we have more people lined up getting vaccinated. Parang daily, each day, no? Day by day, may mga binabakunahan na. Especially those with the comorbidities. So, nababakunahan na sila. So, as compared with before na totally, last year, we are uncertain kung magkakaroon ba tayo ng bakuna or not. No? Matatapos ba ito o hindi? Yung pandemyang to. So, until now, we still have those uncertainties, but meron na tayong konting shade of light. No? Plus, meron din tayong napipintong mga easing of restrictions or loosening of lockdowns. No? So, easing of the lockdowns, loosening ng mga restrictions. So, development from a GCQ, from an ECQ, tapos MECQ, baka maging GCQ na ulit. And who knows, totally, tanggalin na yung lockdown. Okay? And this will push our price index or stock market index prices to break out. No? Right now, the range na nakikita kong pwedeng paglaruan nito is a low of around 6.3, okay, and a high of around 6.6. So ito yung mga pwedeng range ng paglaruan. But as again, kung titingnan natin yung forma nito, pwede itong maglaro dito sa range and then may potential nito na mag-break upward. Okay? So, I hope that satisfy the request, no? Yung forex pairs, indices, global, and then we have the PSEI. Okay, so thank you very much for viewing us. Kung may mga request pa kayo, please feel free to comment down below para po maisama natin sa ating analysis. See you on our next episodes. Goodbye.